Hello everyone, Tom here from Makeshift. In this video I'm quickly going to introduce the AppStarterStack and what it is. So, the AppStarterStack is a template slash starting point for building software with the Livecode development application. So let's go to livecode.com to learn all about it. Livecode is a visual development tool designed for speed. You design your application as your application is running. We can build to all platforms from the same code base, and we can just do everything from there. I've been working with this platform for many years, and I think it is the best multi-platform development application in the world today. It doesn't mean it's perfect. It has its issues, and just like every project and every platform has issues, so does this one. But Livecode is truly one of a kind. It is amazing, incredible, and really fast to build software with. However, when you start Livecode, here it is, the IDE, and you go to New Stack, you have a blank canvas, which is really fun and really great, but doesn't work well as a starting point if you're creating multiple applications. So I created the AppStarterStack to have a different starting point that I can use to create the software for my company and build the things I want to build. So with the AppStarterStack, you would start, or I would start with the stack. The stack, as you see here, it has hundreds of features, built-in features, instead of 0 built-in features. As you can see, like the resizing works. This example application just shows many of the features that are there. We have buttons that don't look like buttons from the 80s, like this one. We have some examples for creating forms and wizards. Developers are sort of encouraged to use these examples as starting points for their controls and their interfaces, but you can just kind of clear the space here and start creating everything on your own. So let me just cycle through some of these features here. These are mobile only functions, so they work on the phone. So this stack builds to Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android, and iOS. There's testing to be done on iOS, and right now the AppStarterStack is in its preview stage. It is already really functional and really useful and ready to be building software with. So there's even in the demo there is a search Pixabay feature that demonstrates the API functionality and the data grid. Like you can see the really good performance here. These images are loaded on demand from the internet, and you can see everything is working smoothly. This is like an example of a reading application. You can change the font size, you can increase it, decrease it, whatever. There's different settings, setting types. So developers who choose this as their starting point, they can much more quickly, build their interfaces and dashboards and wizards and all the stuff that's required to take inputs and to show outputs to the user. So this is a brief introduction to the AppStarterStack. If you are a Livecode developer and would like to consider using the AppStarterStack in your production, then just contact me at appstarterstack.com, Tom at appstarterstack.com, or go to the website and use the form. Contact me, we'll talk about it. We'll talk about a license that works for you and one that works for me. and I'm sure we can make that happen. So just to be clear, this stack is a starting point. There is no encrypted code. Every single aspect of this stack can be changed. Um, so it really gives you, still gives you the whole power of the Livecode development platform, but also you don't have to start everything from scratch and work your way through the simple things that every application needs. So that's it for this introduction. Thanks very much. See you in future videos.